Top 28 quotes from Elon Musk. Don't confuse schooling with education. I didn't go to Harvard, but the people that work for me did. You have to be pretty driven to make it happen. Otherwise, you will just make yourself miserable. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. If you are trying to create a company, it is like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it is not. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. There have to be reasons you get up in the morning and you want to live. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Patience is a virtue, and I am learning patience. It's a tough lesson. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating. If something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is a failure. Take risks now and do something bold. You won't regret it. If the rules are such that you can't make progress, then you have to fight the rules. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better. Keep questioning yourself. It is okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control what happens to that basket. People work better when they know what the goal is and why. It is important that people look forward to coming to work in the morning and enjoy working. My motivation for all my companies has been to be involved in something that I thought would have a significant impact on the world. I don't create companies for the sake of creating companies, but to get things done. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. My goal is not only to change my generation, but all generations henceforth. I want to live long enough to see our civilization become mature and wise enough to handle this new reality we have created for ourselves. What makes a good leader? Someone who inspires others to greatness. I say something and then it usually happens. Maybe not on schedule, but it usually happens. When Henry Ford made cheap, reliable cars, people said no. What's wrong with a horse? That was a huge bet he made, and it worked. What makes innovative thinking happen? I think it is really a mindset. You have to decide. Really pay attention to negative feedback and solicit it, particularly from friends. Hardly anyone does that, and it is incredibly helpful. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you are putting in 100-hour work weeks, then even If you are doing the same thing, you know that you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. When I was in college, I wanted to be involved in things that would change the world. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.